My co-op experiences are probably the most valuable thing that I've experienced at UD. The university teaches you a lot, but it's once you get into the real world that you fully understand why you're here and why you're taking these classes. I've done 4 co-ops and I'll be doing a 5th co-op this summer before I graduate in December. My first one was in commercial construction with Messer, and then I moved into residential construction with Fisher Homes. I learned a lot about myself and management, but getting into a couple more years, I learned that I kind of want to learn about the business side of engineering. So I got an opportunity to co-op with Nucor, and that really kind of solidified what I wanted to do in the future. I got a lot of real world experience. So I was able to hop in a car or hop on a plane with Nucor and go meet some other sales offices. I was able to sit in on our sales meetings and talk pricing strategy and eventually sell a steel job to one of our customers. They really included me and treated me from day one as a real Nucor teammate. There are some amazing companies out there who are recruiting from University of Dayton all the time, and they really do give you the best experiences as they can. My experiences at the University of Dayton, the fraternity I've joined, the opportunities I've had through my co-ops and internships really have solidified what I want to do in the future.